I wanna lie, man. This is one of our matches that didn't have my highlighting moments that much. Like the whole, what do you mean the whole second half? And getting phakathi eboxini, bruh. Both of our teams, akukho neteam engena phakathi eboxini. Yongene phakathi eboxini ngama-last minutes, especially i-MC Large yongene phakathi eboxini on the last 5 minutes of the game, bruh. Last 5 minutes of the game. Kind of bayongena eboxini, and that was when Bathola Vela ama-corners and stuff. The whole match, whole second half, and even the same thing in the first half. About Mamelodi Sundowns, get striker today, front three, name. I don't wanna lie. Gents, y'all got dominated. You couldn't do none. You couldn't do none. It is just a thing which, like, if I'm being honest, you are lucky because the team available when it comes to going forward available. They couldn't do none. Now you're not like, I think part of like my coaches about they playing very well defensive wise, but attacking wise, I don't know. Maybe on the other side it was a quality available, and with the quality then I very Mamelodi Sundowns, it is a different level. But my defenders, they did very good kule game lena, and I'm attackers from both sides. I'm so disappointed. I